Good evening, guys. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, The Unbiased View. So, today's video is a review for the calls which I have posted yesterday, that is 14th of May. I'm talking about this video where I have given you a six trade calls, which was Apollo Tubes, Airtel, Bajaj Auto, Baal Krishna Industries, Bandhan Bank, and Reliance Industries. So let's see what happened to all those six calls. To start with Apollo Tubes, I have suggested two trades: sell if it slips below 1234, buy if it moves above 1260. So yesterday the stock opened at 1249, and you see the moment it crossed 1260, it made a high of 1277. So there we got a 1.34% return. And as I say every time, that keep your target to 1 to 1.5 and keep trailing your stop losses. Second, then I said that sell if it slips below 1234, and fortunately in APL Apollo Tubes we have got both side trade, and you see the moment it slips below 1260 it made a low of 1177. That spells out to be 4.6%. So you have got 5.946% kind of an opportunity in the same stock both side. The second stock which I suggested was Bharti Airtel. So let's see what happened there. In Bharti Airtel, I have clearly mentioned that the resistance band is between 569 to 574, right? And if you see, the stock made a high of exactly 569.35, and the low made by stock was 556. It means this call also worked with respect to the levels, and we have got 2.28% on intraday basis. That was our gain. The third stock was Bajaj Auto. So let's see what happened in Bajaj Auto and what was suggested to you guys. So in Bajaj Auto, I have given you a support channel, and at the support channel was 3,810. The stock happens to make a low of 3,814 exactly from our level. And just to show you, from there it took the support and move up to 3,873, right? 3,873. You see, the moment it make a low, it make a big hammer, and it went all the way till 3,873, which spells out to be 59 point moves again, which spells out to be 1.54% move on an intraday basis. The fourth stock which I suggested was Balkrishna Industries. In Balkrishna Industries, as you can see, I have mentioned in my previous video which I made before Friday, to sell if it slips below 1910 in the running market. You can go and play that video, and you can see I have mentioned how to take a trades. So I've said that if it slips below 1910 in the running market, go for a short. And the stock happens to make a low of 1878, which spells out to be a 32-point move in a single way, which is again 1.67% returns on a intraday basis. The fourth, the fifth stock was Bandhan Bank. So what happened with Bandhan Bank? Bandhan Bank, I have clearly mentioned that it created a fresh weakness in the charts on a closing basis. Buy above 292 and sell below 285. This was a trade which was suggested to you. Stock happened to open at 288, and open was equal to high. It slipped below 285 and seed made a low of 280. Again, 1.75% move on an intraday basis. Last but not the least, sixth stock suggested was Reliance Industries. I have mentioned the support of 1898, which is very close to 1900. And see, the stock made a low of 1906. The stock closed at 1937. Again, 1.62% move on an intraday basis. So see, that is the magic of levels, right? Why I give levels? Because people are more worried on the stop loss and this and that. But if you know your entry, if your entry is right, 70% in our calls, in my calls, if you see, the move is one sided. And I always told you that go ahead with 1%, book everything, or maybe 50%, 70% up to you, or trail your stop loss, so that even if it reverse back, you don't have any losses. And if it comes, if some in some stocks I have given you call of both the sides, right? If it moves above X point, buy. If it moves below Y point, sell. So likewise you get opportunity in both the sides, right? So see, this is the magic of level. So compounded, if you see, 14.8% gross opportunity we got. All the six call worked perfectly from the level you see. So 14.8% was the gross opportunity which was generated of those six calls. Now, I'm not saying that each one of you would have made complete 14.8% from high to low. No, at least one stock, two stock, three stock, some entry out of six stock, correct? So my job is to give you the handful opportunities, right? My job is to give you the levels, which is most important, that where you have to execute your trade, what point you should enter into the trade, irrespective of long or short. I'm neither a bull nor a bear. I'm just a fan of levels. If level suggests me to go for a long, I do that, and vice versa. So so far in my channel, since I have started giving calls, I have close to 94% strike ratio, and you can check yourself on my channel. Other than one call, which was Orvindo Pharma, right? Other than one call, which was Orvindo Pharma, rest all my levels worked. This one, rest all the levels which was given to you is 100% all bang on levels, right? Irrespective of Nifty, Bank Nifty, which I'm not including at all. I'm just talking only purely with respect to the stocks. And there are a couple of stocks which I've tweeted, which is not in front of you, which was Z. I don't know whether I have a Z screenshot here or not, or maybe I would have deleted that. And next video, I'll show you that. I have suggested to buy a Z reversal from 182, and it made a high of 192, right? And Bell, you see, I've suggested to buy at 47 for investment opportunity. It gone so high that it gave us an opportunity of 60%. So this is what I'm trying to say, that please respect the levels. Don't get into that anticipation of the market a day before. If the level comes, if your entry comes as per your desired mode, then only go inside that trade. Otherwise, don't take a random entry here and there. So my dear friends, keep supporting me. Do subscribe my channel. This is technical analysis, the unbiased view. Thank you. Bye bye.